4 tips how to reach more of the right people online. Finding out where the right people for your business hang out is crucial to your success. This holds true for a bricks and mortar establishment, such as a cafe, as well as an online business. So how do you do it? If you are new to this channel, we regularly post tips about growing your business, attracting fully automatically your ideal clients to create a constant cash flow using our formula we call confident cash flow. If you are interested in content like that, subscribe to this channel and hit on that bell. Profile prospective customers. Have you ever heard of customer personas? Let's say you run a cafe. Who are your clients? What is their age, gender, and demographic? What are their pain points? How can you help them? Are they vegetarian? Do they like coffee but don't want caffeine? Do they want to sit in or grab a quick takeaway? These are all questions you need to answer. Create customer personas. Go through the exercise of asking all these questions and providing real solutions. Offer them something that they actually want and need. Find out where they hang out online. Social media platforms are exceptionally good at this. Look at the traditional social media platforms. Run searches for cafe, latte, cappuccino. Run mock campaigns on social media and draw in the right demographic with the right interest to you. Think outside the box. Look at platforms such as Reddit and Quora. Be active. Use hashtags on your posts and monitor engagement. The results will deliver. Organic media and PPC. Search engines want to make money, and to do so, they make you spend money by bidding on keywords for pay-per-click advertising. In the past, the solo mentality prevailed, but now the concept of integrating organic and PPC is gaining traction. What does this mean? Search engines try their hardest to mask organic intent so they can get you to spend money. Run a paid campaign and gauge the results. If it's successful, take those paid keywords and integrate them into your organic campaigns. If it works for one, it will more than likely work for the other. Monitor what works and scale it. The old saying goes, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Experiment, play around, try different things, but the most important thing is to monitor the data and use it to your advantage. Check your analytics regularly. If something is working better than other approaches, harness it. Invest more time, money, and resources into it. If one action gives better return, scale it up, and you will soon see big wins. But knowing where to start is hard. At FairTech, we've created a blueprint that helps you identify your fastest way to cash through the right online marketing efforts to feed your business. The goal is to reach into more consistent cash flow so you can scale your business. We introduce learners to our 12 pillars that we use to make our clients successful. It helps you identify where you are and start working on the next best step for your business. Those strategies that will give you the fastest way to cash. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at how to turn your online audience into customers. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment, or post your questions. We answer them in the next Q&A video.